Hi guys, it's Kylie. Welcome to or back to my channel. For today's video, I did a tutorial on this kind of sun-kissed orange look that I'm wearing right now. If you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to do so and ring the bell while you're at it. It really helps out my channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so my brows are on. I'll make sure to link that tutorial in the cards above, and I just went ahead and I primed my lids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and this is just the white one. I don't know exactly what I want to do today, but I know I want to be orange, so I'm gonna take Sunkissed from the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette and just start buffing that in my crease. Now I'm just going to take the Makeup a Murder Neon Pigment. This is their orange one. And I'm just going to use that to brighten up the previous orange shade that we used. Kind of not necessarily winging out my shadows, but just trying to draw them out this way to kind of elongate the eye. Now I'm going in with the Pastel Orange Pigment from Makeup a Murder just to soften up those edges. Let's get a clean brush. Now I'm taking Hard Place from that Colourpop palette on a smaller blending brush, and I'm just gonna buff that into the outer corner of the eye to kind of deepen it up. Give it a little bit more definition. And I'll run that in the crease, but I'm not going to buff it up quite as high as those other shades. Now I'm going to take this Natasha Denona eyeshadow in Silk. This is just a single eyeshadow I got as a sample from Sephora. It's from their bronze palette. But I'm going to pack that all over the inner half of my lid. Blending out those edges a little bit, kind of bringing it up through the crease. Now I'm gonna go do the same thing on my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished off this eye, and I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Primer to prime my face. Now I'm going in with the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer, just kind of around my nose and anywhere that my pores are a little bit bigger. And I'm really taking my time to like press that into the skin. For foundation, I'm using some of the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. Just kind of dotting it on my skin, and then I'll go in and I'll blend it in with a sponge. Concealing my under eyes and any other little blemishes peeking through with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. Now I'm using the Coty Airspun powder to set that concealer and foundation in place. I'm just setting the under eyes with a small velour puff. And then I'll go in with just a small powder brush just to sweep away any excess and buff that into the rest of the face. For a little bit of warmth and definition, I'm going in with my Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. I just got this in a BoxyCharm, and I've really been liking it. I did an unboxing on this month's BoxyCharm and last month's, so I can link those in the cards above if you want to watch them. I've been having a lot of fun with them recently. For a highlight, I am dipping into my Essence Pure Nude highlighter in Be My Highlight. Just hitting the high points of my face with that, like my brow bone. And then just the tops of my cheeks and my nose and my cupid's bow. And then just a really light dusting everywhere else. And then from my Alamar Cosmetics blush trio, I think this is the medium skin one, I'm taking these two colors, just kind of mixing them. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. brow pencil just to redefine my big freckle. Gonna line my lips with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. And tap on some of the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in Vitamin C. And just topping that off with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Back to the eyes, I'm going to start by lining my waterline with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyeliner in Polished White. Back in with that Makeup a Murder pigment, this is the Neon Orange, just picking that up off the stopper and tapping off my brush so there isn't any excess. And I'm going to start buffing that just right on this outer corner, bringing it in maybe 2/3 of the way and connecting it up here. Taking the Pastel Orange pigment from Makeup a Murder on my inner corner and just on that inner third of the lower lash line. I'm going back in with Hard Place from the Colourpop palette and just running that on the very outer corner of the lower lash line for a little bit more definition. Now from the Colourpop Golden State of Mind palette, I am going to take, I think this is Zero Clue, the orange one, and I'm gonna pop that on my inner corner. Just gonna wet a brush with setting spray first. This is the Milani Make It Last. I know I've layered 5 million products already, but I want a little bit more sparkle, and so I'm gonna take the What a Pitty Smile side from the e.l.f. and Jkissa eyeshadow duo. I'm gonna put some on my inner corner, and then right at the very center of the lid. And then I'll just blend that out with the same brush. I'm gonna go pop on some liner and lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, lashes are on. I used the Kiss Magnetic Lashes in the style Crowd Pleaser, and then just the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner that comes with that. And then for the lower lashes and to kind of mesh my lashes with the falsies, I used the L'Oreal Bambi mascara. If you are interested in seeing some of the other styles that the Kiss Magnetic line has, I did film my first impressions where I tried on a few of them, so I'll link that in the cards above and you can click that if you want to. But that's the finished look! Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see in future videos, and I'll see you on Tuesday.